Hi guys, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make an Italian mojito. So this is just a little bit of a teaser for what's to come, because next week I've got a big mojito video. So if you aren't already, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notifications so you can get that notification of when the video is released very, very soon. So an Italian mojito, we're using an Italian aperitif, Cocchi Americano. So we're going to start with the mint and add that to your glass. I'd say 6 to 10 leaves. I usually like to go a little bit heavier on my mint, so I'm going to go 10 mint leaves, tear them up and add them straight to your glass. If you want to, give them a little bit of a clap and release those oils, but I'm also going to give it a really light muddle. Nothing too hard, just press the mint. If you press it too hard, then it's going to release the bitter notes and it's going to make the drink quite vegetal. So I want to keep that fresh aromatic, the fresh mint flavor to the drink. And we're going to measure out a whopping 75 mils, 2.5 ounces of your Cocchi Americano. Try to keep it in the glass. Then follow that with 30 mils, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 15 ml, half an ounce of 1:1 simple syrup. Now to that, add ice and give it a quick stir. So top up the glass with crushed ice and add a dash of soda water, or if you're in the States, Seltzer. Now serve it with a straw and garnish it with a mint sprig. Or in my case, 3 mint sprigs. Give a little bit of a whack and release those oils, the aromatics. And there you have the Italian mojito. Cheers. Wow. I can't believe I haven't had one of these before. This is delicious. It is on the sweeter style. It's not as tart as a lot of other mojitos that I've tried and I've made. If you have a bottle of Cocchi Americano, make sure you try this. This is a really, really good mojito variation. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.